Hello everyone, this is Manoj again and welcome back to the ReactJS series. So in this video we will learn the basics of form handling in React.js. Also we will take a look how to work with forms in React. Alright, and for this particular video we will use controlled component example because all the elements we will use will be controlled by React. Alright, so let's create a file in components folder, form component.js, and simply create a functional component const form component and export default form component, and inside this return div. This is form handling example. Save, go back to app.js and simply import form component from component form component and use it. Save, go back to browser. So this is form handling example. Perfect. Now go back to form component.js. So here in this div, let's use a br and use a input type text. Let's say placeholder and name, and also use a label and name. Save, go back to browser. So we have enter name and enter name. All right, perfect. Now let's create a state for this. So const name set name and use state. We need to import this use state from React package. So use state, save. Now if you see here, I can do anything, but this is an uncontrolled component, all right, because the state is not maintained by React itself. How to make it controlled? Simply pass value and name. So now the value of this input box is managed by the React itself, this state name. Now go back to browser. If I try to enter anything, but I'm not able to because we didn't specify the event handler. We didn't specify how to write in this or how to manage the complete state. We have given the value, but we haven't given the change or on change event for that. How to do that? So simply create on change event, and in that simply pass your set name. So copy. So e dot target dot value. We also need to pass e as an event from here, not error, the e. Now save, go back to browser. If I try to type anything, so it is allowing me to enter. So now the value and the on change event, each and everything is managed by the React. So now that is the controlled component. All right. So let's add another element, and this time let's use a select. So select And inside this, let's use some options. So option value no selection, and let's say select country, and let's add another option, India, and set the value as India, and add another one, let's say USA. Save. Go back to browser. So we have a drop down. Let's use one label as well. So select country. Save. So we have country, we have name. So now let's create a state for country as well. So const country and set country, use state blank. Now for this select, let's use the value property and pass your country which you just created as state. And again, if I save and go back to browser, I'm not able to change any country, all right, because I haven't given any event handler or the change event. So again, give the on change event. So on change curly braces. So e again set country. So e dot target dot value. Now save. Go back to browser. Now I'm able to select the country. Also, I'm able to give any name value. Perfect. Let's create a button again. So I'm copying these two break lines here and let's use a button. So button type submit, save data, save, and I'm going to wrap this thing inside a form. So form, close it after button, and for this form we need to specify one event handler for this submission. Let's give handle submit. Let's copy and create this event handler. So const event handler, and here simply type alert form submitted. Save. Go back to browser. If I click here, you see form submitted. Perfect. Now what we will do, on click of this event, we will print the data from our state, and let's simply use the backticks. Name is dollar curly braces, your state which is name, and your country is dollar curly braces country. Save. Go back to browser. Let me give my name again India. Now name is have a value and this country also have a value. So save. Name is Manojdeshwal and your country is India. Notice something, the moment I click on this OK, page gets refreshed and all the data is lost. All right. Why this is happening? Because after any event, our page is getting refreshed. That is why our data is getting lost. But how we can prevent that? We can specify a default method, which is we need to pass event here in this handle submit event handler, and e dot prevent default, and here we need to pass e. Save. Let me give any value. India, save data, name is this and country is this. Alright. So this is how you can manage your simple form handling in React.js. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.